guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to see and hide links you have visited on Instagram. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to check and hide the links you have visited while using your Instagram app, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to open your Instagram app. You can see here below profile icon, just tap on this. After that, you can see here top right side 3 line, just tap on this. Guys, in this you can see here your activity, just tap on this. In this you need to scroll down a little bit. Guys, you can see here links you have visited, just tap on this. Guys, you can see here whatever links you have visited while using your Instagram app, all will appear here. If you want to hide, guys, if you want to hide this link, just you have to select and hold and just click on hide. You can see the link has been hidden. That's it guys. So in this way you can see and hide links you have visited on your Instagram app. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.